Hello? Anybody in here?
My name is Galena.
It's nice to meet you all. La la la.
Wow!
This is a pencil case. A green pen. Let's go!
Good job!
I like the red pen.
Let's begin.
Very good.
Let's do it with me.
Yes! So good!
That's amazing. This looks so good.
Okay.
Hair dye.
I want new hair.
Ooh!
I like it!
It's so beautiful.
Let's fix the eyebrows.
Ooh! That's great! Oh!
I love it!
Oh, yes! Great!
This.
Lipstick.
Oh.
She looks great. Contact lens. Ooh, what's this? Oh,
This is eye lens.
fantastic!
She is a pretty girl.
Great!
Wow, that's amazing.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my beach outfit makeup session. Hi there! My name is Galena. Ooh, what's this? Wow!
This is a pencil case. This looks so good.
Let's go!
Okay.
Let's begin. La la la.
Good job. Let's do it with me.
That's great!
Wow, that's amazing.
Okay.
I want new hair.
Hair dye.
Very good. Let's fix this hair.
Wow, I love it!
BB cream. So good.
Wow!
This gonna be good.
Eyebrow. Oh! She looks great. Eyelid.
Oh.
Great! Whoa!
She is a pretty girl.
Lipstick. Beautiful lips.
This.
Eye lens.
Wow.
Fantastic!
Mmm.
Earrings. She is so beautiful. Excellent! Ta-da! Hi! Hello!
Welcome to my makeup session. My name is Moana.
Uh-huh.
This is a magical bag.
Woo! Yes!
Oh.
This.
Ta-da!
Okay.
I want new hair.
Wow, I love it.
BB cream. Good job.
Whoa! She looks great. Eyebrow. Wow! That's great!
This.
Woo! Wow! Eyelash.
Oh, yes. This looks so good.
Oh! Excellent! Lipstick.
Wow. I love it. Here we go.
Good!
She is a pretty girl. Wow, that's amazing. Necklace. Very good.
She is so beautiful. Ta-da!
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my show.
Ooh!
It's nice to meet you all.
Ooh, what's this? Wow!
I like it.
Let's go.
La la la. Good job! Let's begin.
So good.
That's great!
Wow, that's amazing. I want new hair. Good job.
Oh! She is so beautiful.
BB cream.
Let's do makeup with me.
Very good.
Excellent!
like it.
Lipstick. Beautiful lips.
This. Oh. She is a pretty girl.
What's this?
Wow.
I love it. She looks great.
Ooh.
Yes!
Ta-da!
Okay.
I love you.